Hey everyone, welcome to JrTech Reviews. I'm Nick.
I'm Nelson.
And today we're going to be talking about the Motorola Focus71 indoor camera.
Yeah, so it's a nice little camera. You can use it for security or as a baby monitor. We personally use it as a security camera here at the office. We set it up by our elevator and capture people coming in and out. Worked really well. It gave us a notification every time someone walked in. Just some points about the camera. Found that it had good quality, audio was good, and the night vision worked surprisingly well. It's also worth to note that the app had an easy to use interface.
Yeah, unfortunately the app actually ended up crashing on us a few times, so we had to kind of mitigate that factor through communicating with customer support. But we were able to get it working and get it streamlined. And yeah, one interesting thing to note is that if you have an Android, you can actually multitask on your phone. So you don't disconnect from the live feed, you can continue about going with your business through if you're playing games or on your calendar and whatnot. And one thing I'd love to highlight is that you can connect it through your smart home. So if you have Amazon Alexa or Google Home, you can streamline it through that. So you can control it with your voice, you can do all that stuff, because I know everybody has a smart home nowadays.
Yeah, that's really cool. So some stuff we came to like about the camera. Personally, I like the adjustable sensor setting. It allows us to adjust the sensitivity of the sensors so we weren't picking up anything we didn't really want to pick up. Also, you can turn off notifications for certain times of day, so if you're sleeping, you're not getting notifications when you don't want them to. How about you, Nick? What do you like about the camera?
Yeah, so like I said, I love the voice capabilities of it. And through the app, you can actually press a button and communicate on the other end of the camera. So if you're using a security camera and somebody's walking through the door, you can say, "Come in," or whatnot. And I'm sure parents are gonna love this. You can actually play lullabies through the app itself. So it'll play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or whatever your favorite lullaby might be.
So of course you need to download the Hubble app to use the camera. You can use it for free, or you can get one of the 3 subscription models, which come in 3 different varying price points. The models offer you cloud storage, daily video summaries, access to more cameras on the app, and Motorola's Smart Zone function, which allows you to change which areas of the camera's view get affected by its sensors.
Awesome. I think that those are all great functions for the everyday person. If you're looking to beef up your security within your home, or you're looking to get a new baby monitor for your child, I think that paired with the subscription plan is something that you might definitely be privy to. Just to wrap things up, thank you guys for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed this product review, and we'll catch you in the next one.